kurwa gusi go chibosio ntobwate chikura chiba election chinke ase Nyamaiya Ekerenyo na Nyansiongo igonare gotebia bamintu bali chinsemecho engakie nero to kworo kimatiangi nantu mwanchete nenchire yoka togo chikomoro kinantu mwanchete bali in the united opposition chichama na butogo chigwakira chikura boka egentu tokorokanga UDA intoliko yakira kura nyoene yemo tororenga umwe abantu baito bachire busyo nabo bagochikogamba ase bunge ya Nyamira tochakirabo na inde ko bakorera iga monya gochandika wangu iga ngokora turi opinion poll ose togo chikoraga gochia orio tanga inose chiwodie nere togo chikogwera tororenga twa bokorere mirimo pakoetire obeire MCA
Dr. Geoffrey Nyanaro manyekanite bune ngasi ya Burabu ngo Burabu constituency muchuo kolgyo Burabu Burabu 2027 unandu chensi egendo twari ko kwanira na mangana grassroots engagements as the agencies ndobwate movement ekorokutelezi army yene movement yeri ekorenda matiange what has all us for now egento kergia tobwatire ndobwate chipa election nande ndoma mangana IPC ebato tega se chiwodi kiriki chipa election chire bantu mbaranza ko register chikura igeto kanyete chipa election chiere to answer registration igo by the end of December we will be reading countrywide egento kele kutwari wote baste youth and agencies what we will start is the issue based campaigns campaign chaito ngakitogo chigochira door to door igonto kanyete bono buna matiangia etwekero keri kewo deputy party leader ne party yaito ya Jubilee ekamwanjira kwa presidential candidate ilie bato take green light igobono from next month bono ngo so the first season we will start a campaign in Nyamira County. We want to be a leading county in voter registration ige to kanyete by election yere tuanze kasi yaito. Asante sana
lakini nataka uklarify kente kama Umate registration of voters here again retekera as except ward nechi constituency nechi county as by election chire. Igo Nyamira County ntobua ati registration ya Kerenyo, Nyamaiya na Nyansiongo. Lakini ndengo sabatore nga akero tu akore by election on 27th. Ba akoro registration. Igo totakete IBC error registration paka polling station. Polling centers. Ikiagara baone babwate osine center yemo in every ward. Esa banda bateri kunyara kuikira